6:27 news time is 5:53. Right now, high school students from across the state are right here in the Madison area spending part of their summer jumping into the world of business. It's part of a 4-day camp at UW-Madison run by Wisconsin Business World. And joining us this morning is Wade Goodsell. He is the executive director of WMC Foundation, which runs the Wisconsin Business World program. Wade, good morning.
Good morning.
So tell us a little bit about this program, the Wisconsin Business World program.
Yeah, Business World is a 4-day, 3-night summer camp for high school students throughout the state of Wisconsin. We're fortunate to be at UW-Madison this week, sponsored by Jay Smith, the chairman of Teal Plastics. And Business World teaches business, economics, entrepreneurship, as well as free enterprise education to high school students. But in addition to teaching some general business principles, students have some fun on campus as well. There's a volleyball tournament, a scavenger hunt, so it can't just be all business. We got to have a little fun. It's a summer camp after all.
Right, you got to keep it interested for them. So the camp started at UW-Madison yesterday. That camp actually started yesterday.
Correct.
What have students been doing so far?
So yesterday, students were placed in teams. So we have about 90 students from across the state, whether from downtown Milwaukee to rural Wisconsin, Eau Claire, throughout this state. Students were placed into teams randomly. We had a large junk pile. Students had to pick junk randomly. From there, they go back to their teams, 10 to 12 students on each team, and they have to create a product out of that junk pile. So kind of through innovation comes necessity. And so students form their teams. Some students are focused in aerospace, some in healthcare, some in home improvement product. So yesterday was really team building, product formation through that junk selection. And then today there'll be an evening commercial competition as well as trade show. And then the camp concludes Wednesday afternoon with a Shark Tank-like presentation in front of local business executives. And typically, I'm not sure who learns more,
right,
the students or the executives.
Right. Sounds like a lot of fun. So if viewers who are watching this morning are interested in maybe sending their kids, do you guys have any other camps happening so far this summer, and is registration still open for that?
Yeah, great question. So we'll actually be at UW Stevens Point next month, July 15th through 18th, and a great way to register, wibusinessworld.org. Again, wibusinessworld.org, and registration's only $75 per student. So we still have space for the UW Stevens Point camp, and would love to have viewers send their students to join us.
All right, Wade, thank you again for waking up with us this morning.